Hi dear students, good afternoon. Welcome to our online classes. Today I am going to teach your SST book, chapter 5. Your chapter name is India Political Divisions, Unit 2, chapter 5, India Political Divisions. In this chapter we know political division of India, that means our state's name and their capital's name, area of our country, our union territories name and their capitals. So dear students, let's come and know about our political divisions of India. This is a hard copy in which I write short note of this chapter. First we discuss chapter 5, India Political Divisions. India is a large country with a total area of 3.287 million square kilometers. That means area of the India is 3.287 million square kilometers. India has been divided into 28 states and 9 union territories. That means 28 Rajya or 9 Kendra Shasিত অঞ্চল. New Delhi is the capital of India. New Delhi is the capital of India. Since India is a huge country, it is very difficult for a single government. So we have two types of government. One is state government and another is center government. The first we know central government. The central government, also known as the union government, looks after the entire country. It works from New Delhi. That means central government, also known as the union government, it looks the rule regulation of a country. It works from New Delhi. It works from New Delhi. The president and the prime minister and other ministers have their offices and residence in the New Delhi. Our presidents, prime minister and other ministers also lives in this place. Next, state governments. There is also a government in each of the 28 states. That means हर एक राज्य का हर एक state government ने called the state government. It looks after the affairs of the state. That means this government looks after the state of states. It works from capital of the state. Our capital name is Bhubaneswar. So our state government works from Bhubaneswar. The governor is the nominal head of the state government, but actually the head of the state government is chief minister and their minister. Next, the chief minister of the state and many other ministers looks after the actual administration of the state. That means chief minister is the elected head of the state government. We know about 28 states and their capitals. We know our India is the 6th largest country in the world. So our India has 28 states and 9 union territories. First we remember names of 28 states. So we make a formula to help you to remember this 28 states name. Formula is M583 UKGH2 WBSS number JP1. Once again, M583 UKGH2 WBSS number JP1. That means M letter for 5 states, A for 3, T for 3 state, U, K, G and H for 2 states, and W, B, R, C, S, N, O, J and P for 1 state. According to this formula, I can write all the states name and their capitals like this. First, M for 5, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal. M for Mizoram, Aizwal. Maharashtra, Mumbai. Manipur, Imphal. Meghalaya, Shillong. Assam, Dispur. Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar. Andhra Pradesh, Hyderabad. Tripura, Agartala. Telangana, Hyderabad. Tamil Nadu, Chennai. Uttarakhand, Dehradun. Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow. Next, K for Karnataka, Bangalore. K for Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram. G for Goa, Panaji. G for Gujarat, Gandhinagar. H for Himachal Pradesh, Shimla. H for Haryana, Chandigarh. W for West Bengal, Kolkata. B for Bihar, Patna. R for Rajasthan, Jaipur. C for Chhattisgarh, Raipur. S for Sikkim, Gangtok, N for Nagaland, Kohima, O for Odisha, Bhubaneswar, J for Jharkhand, Ranchi, P for Punjab, Chandigarh. This is the name of 28 states and their capitals. First you remember the formula of these states and then you remember the states name and their capitals name. Next, then we know Rajasthan is the largest state in area and Goa is the smallest state in area, but Uttar Pradesh is the largest state by population. हमारी देश का सबसे बड़ा स्टेट है उत्तर प्रदेश अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर पॉपुलेशन एंड एरिया के हिसाब से राजस्थान सबसे बड़ा स्टेट है और एरिया के हिसाब से गोवा हमारा सबसे छोटा वाला स्टेट है. नेक्स्ट वी नो द 9 यूनियन टेरिटरीज एंड देयर कैपिटल्स. वी नो recently our India got formed 2 new union territories. One is Ladakh and second one is Jammu and Kashmir. So now our union territories number is 9. First we know what do we mean by union territory. A small political unity that is controlled by the central government. That means these union territories have no state governments. They are only regulation by the central government. First we know union territories according to their formula like 3D L2 JCP 1. That means 3 के D for 3 यूनियन टेरिटरीज है, L for 2 है, JACP for 1 है. पहले D for दिल्ली, उसका कैपिटल है न्यू दिल्ली. D for दामन ड्यू, उसका कैपिटल है दामन. दादरा नगर हवेली, सालभास. लाक्षाद्वीप L for लाक्षाद्वीप आइलैंड, उसका कैपिटल है कवराती. L for लद्दाख, उसका कैपिटल है लेह. J for जम्मू एंड कश्मीरी, उसका 2 कैपिटल है श्रीनगर एंड सेकंड वन इज जम्मू. इन द समर सीजन हर कैपिटल इज श्रीनगर बट इन विंटर द कैपिटल इज जम्मू. F for अंडमान निकोबार आइलैंड्स, कैपिटल इज पोर्ट ब्लेयर. C for चंडीगढ़, कैपिटल इज चंडीगढ़. P for Puducherry, capital is Pondicherry. This is the name of 9 union territories and their capital names. You should remember this according to their formula. This is the whole about chapter of political division of India. And at last, I also prepared homework for you like number 1. What is the name of your state? First you should write the name of your state. I think you all know our state name is Odisha. Chandigarh is the capital of dash and dash state. Chandigarh is the one place which is capital of two states. One is Haryana and second one is Punjab. Next question. Which union territory has 2 capitals? Which union territory? Jammu and Kashmir has 2 union territories. Write 4 neighbors country name of India. और 4 पड़ोसी कंट्री का नाम लिखना है जैसे नेपाल, भूटान, श्रीलंका, बांग्लादेश, पाकिस्तान, etc. How many states are there in India? There are 28 states in India. Which is the largest state of India by population? Which is the largest state by population? UP. And which is the largest state by area? Each state name is Rajasthan. Next, Chandigarh, Jharkhand and West Bengal, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh are our neighbor states. That means हमारी पड़ोसी राज्य इतना ही है, चंडीगढ़, झारखंड, वेस्ट बंगाल, तेलंगाना and Andhra Pradesh. This is the whole chapter about political divisions of India. This is your hard copy. I write all the short notes about this chapter. You should follow it and remember all the states name and union territories name. Next class we are discuss exercise of this chapter. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe and wait for my next class.